guys, it's Robert again. Thanks for watching my channel and like and subscribing. Sun is starting to come up.
And then today we're gonna go to the desert, and the desert's gonna be hot.
Today we'll be going on a field trip with my sons Jesse and Jonah, and they were excited to get up, especially Jesse. He got up before the sun came up. Right now it's almost 6 o'clock. We're getting ready to leave. It's gonna be 2.5 hours to get there.
It'll take 3 hours.
Then we gotta go on the trails, do our thing, and head back. So it's gonna be a long day for me. Which I don't know if you guys know, I don't like driving, and I am sleepy. It is early, so we'll be back.
It's raining, so pick up. I'm just talking.
It's windy over here.
It's windy here.
All right, guys, we are in Cabazon. There's a brontosaurus there. We turn around, and there is T-Rex. So now we're filling up, getting ready to finally hit the dirt road. I think we're gonna air down. We are here. We're right there.
Right on the map.
Right. Jesse's helping me air down. I'm borrowing these from Jed because somebody stole mine. Yep. Thank you, Jesse. Turn it tight. Yep. All right, we're still in Joshua Tree, looking for our next spot. It was cooler, but now the sun's out, and it's a lot hotter. Look how deep it is.
We're on a high mountain, Dad.
Yeah, see how deep it is there?
Yeah, that's why you cannot go into it.
Oh no, don't be in trouble. Slow, slow, there you go. Perfect. You're gonna, yep. Perfect.
You got one more.
Here's the drop. The drop's coming. Watch out for the rock on the left, though.
Yeah, you're good, you're good, you're good, you're good.
Here's the drop. Get ready. Drop, drop. All right, it's 3 in the afternoon in Joshua Tree, and we just went up or down a pretty mean trail over here. We all hit our skid plates on this one spot that was totally unavoidable. Now we decided to take a break and set up, eat some food. So after lunch, it looks like we're going to be taking this trail down over here. It's a great Saturday. It's summertime. We don't really off-road that much, but my sons, especially Jesse, he really wanted to off-road and get out here to the desert. He was excited. He woke up before everybody else. So I think it's just, good to bring the family, do family stuff,
Oh my gosh!
All right, put it back on.
We literally just went through poop. This stuff smells, and it is poop. You better scoop. So how does it feel like to literally drive through crap?
Feels like wow. Holy shit. Literally, holy
That's crap. You smell like poop.
Hours.
This is why you have lighting. It's like the dust itself is even hard to see through. Wow, I just went through a pretty difficult spot, and I was just appreciative to have a bunch of enthusiasts in the taco community to help other trucks that went through it. You can hear them scraping and banging stuff, and with their help, I didn't do that, which makes me a happy camper. Good. Go straight. Watch for the big rock on your passenger side. All right. So we finally made it to civilization, and it's like 10 o'clock, so we've been driving for a really long time, right, Jesse?
Yeah, and then we drove for almost 24 hours.
Well, it was a little bit less than 24 hours, but we being Dad, but we were on the road for a while, so it's been a long day. But we all made it in one piece, so I was just driving home on the street now. It was fun. So I want to say thanks for watching the channel. Please subscribe. Peace out.
Peace out.
Rob, what are you doing? Where are you going, buddy?
Grrr, go Zera! I crushed you. I crushed you. All right. Oh.